फिल्म भी बनाते हैं, उसको भी पिक्चर बना देते हैं. इससे पहले जितने म्यूजिक वीडियोस हमने देखे हैं या फिल्में देखी हैं, एक एक फ्रेम यहां छप जाता है. सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, ऑन दैट नोट, द प्रोलिफिक फिल्म मेकर्स, प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर राधिका राव एंड विनय सप्रू. You know, this is so fresh, this is so lovely. You guys gotta make some more noise. Welcome. So good to see you both. And thank you for this. This is so fresh. This is like, मतलब मजा आ रहा है, कुछ खास होने वाला है. So let's talk about Yaariyan 2. Let's just jump into it. Tell us about this journey of yours, sir.
When you're doing a journey in the film industry, you know there's only one man who's doing everything in this film industry, and that's Bhushan ji.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And जब आप भूषण जी के साथ जर्नी कर रहे होते हैं तो सबसे डिफिकल्ट पार्ट ये होता है कि इतनी सारी पिक्चरें बना रहे हैं भूषण जी, और सारी पिक्चरें उनके दिल के बहुत करीब है.
Right.
तो उनके दिल के सबसे क्लोजेस्ट कैसे जाएं, ये एक बड़ा एक मसला रहता है फॉर अस फिल्म मेकर्स, हाउ टू रीच क्लोजेस्ट टू हिज हार्ट सो दैट ही कैन लव द फिल्म. सो उनके दिल के सबसे नज़दीक जाने का तरीका है, जो अनिल जी भी जानते हैं, म्यूज़िक. म्यूज़िक भूषण जी के लिए सबसे बड़ी प्रायोरिटी है, एंड म्यूज़िक हैज़ बीन आवर जर्नी ऑल्सो. So when we wanted to make a film, so we had a subject which was a musical, and it fitted into the Yaariyan, which is Bhushan ji's such a big brand of his company. And when we said Bhushan ji, we want to do a musical, and we have a subject which takes the Yaariyan franchise forward. So that's how it all started.
Right.
And Bhushan ji, now hopefully we are close to your heart, and you will give this in so many films of yours. This will be closest to your heart. Yeah.
Sir, ये अभी हम पूछ लेंगे यहाँ पे. Okay, so I have a question for you. You have to tell us, you know, top-notch cast, most amazing music, वो brilliant frames और वो शुरुआत में जो हमारे हीरो साहब भाग रहे हैं, you know, ये सब हमारे संग रह जाने वाला है. सबसे difficult क्या था for you guys? Because everything is top-notch.
सबसे best thing and सबसे difficult thing is, see, we all are people of Mumbai.
Yes.
Mumbai has made us what we are.
Yeah.
And it's actually a love story with Mumbai city. So we've shot all on live locations, and I think apart from that, the fact that it was all live and it was difficult because of that. Otherwise, the journey has been just wonderful in terms of everything else. So really the difficult part was really going on live locations and shooting. Much as we love the city, but it's a very crowded city. तो आप ब्रिज में जाओगे और आप बोलोगे अभी हीरो को दौड़ा उधर, और लोगों को बोलेगे हटो, बट मुंबई इट्स अ वेरी काइंड दैट वे. जैसे क्या चल रहा है, पिक्चर चलिए, अच्छा चलो साइड में हट जाते हैं, आप शूट कर लीजिए. तो it's an ode to the city as much as it's about the music and the relationships. And
एक एक frame जो है ना, it's so relatable. But that's been your quality, right? That's your thing. Because youth के साथ कैसे relate करना है, as I said, brand film हो, feature film हो, music videos हो, of course T-series के साथ आपने इतने सारे chartbusters दिए हैं. So that's your thing, right? What's that secret, that ingredient कि youth के साथ इतना coolly connect कर लेते हो आप?
It's all about correct casting, you know,
Right.
which is actually the starting point for anything. And
when we were doing this film also, when we finished the subject, when we went to Bhushan ji, and people who don't know Divya that well, because she's my 2 a.m. buddy. Okay. So there's a lot of things one doesn't know. माने अगर कोई यारों का यार है शहर में तो वो है.
Wow.
She'll go under a bus for her friends. I mean, loyalty is like her core space. So once we finished writing the subject, the central girl in the film was all about loyalty, relationships and stuff like that. So then after we finished, we went to Bhushan ji and we said we want her in the movie, and then that's how the journey started.
Right.
And then all the young kids, Mizan came in, the cool little young boy, and then Pearl, who's been a friend and we've known him for so many years, apt for the role. And then we were looking for that one character, important character, and then we went all the way to Bengal to find Yash to do the role, and we have a lovely young girl called Anaswara, who's unfortunately not with us here, but she's wonderful. She's from Kerala. So that's how we put, as Vinay said, the cast was the key to the magic of the frames. Actually, it's only the artist that really brings it all.
Absolutely, and वो ताली और सीटी से पता लग ही गया हमने क्या किया है यहाँ पे. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, would like to invite on stage the super cool cast of Yaariyan 2, and we'll invite सबसे पहले the very gorgeous, the fashionista, I would say, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Divya Khosla Kumar. Thunderous round of applause. Welcome. So good to see you. And congratulations on this. बड़े सारे सवाल हैं, लेकिन मैं चाह रहा हूं मैं सबको बुला लेता हूं और फिर सबको ना एक साथ पूछूंगा मैं. So and now, ladies and gentlemen, the very handsome, the ever so cool Mizan Jafri, ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियां. Come on, we got to make some more noise. All the girls in the house. Again, the very handsome, the very talented Pearl V. Puri, जोरदार तालियां. And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, Yash Das Gupta के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Welcome. As I said, तालियां और सीटियां, the response is out. Like हमने सुन लिया, आपने जब वो लास्ट में खत्म हुआ एक सांस ली थी, you know, there was a sigh of relief. Tell us about that. ये journey अब teaser देख के, what was going on दिमाग में आपके यहाँ पे?
I'm just very excited and happy, and it's my mom's blessings, you know, and I'm just so thankful for this opportunity, thankful to my directors, Radhika ji and Vinay ji. They always present me so beautifully, from the music video I did with them, Yaad Piya Ki Aane Lagi. And I know I'm in safe hands, and I just left it to them. Jaise karna hai karo, jo karwana hai karwao, I'm all game. Yes. So yeah, so it's like their vision, and I'm so happy that they chose me for it, and I'm so excited.
We are also very excited. There's so much more that we'd like to, you know, ask you. But before that, we have to talk about your fashion game, you know, that style quotient. Because यहाँ पे ये देसी अवतार हो लहंगे में या वेस्टर्न अवतार हो, you are killing it, and how? So वो कहाँ से inspiration आ रहा है या how are you managing all that?
I think they style me very well, and you know the styling was totally 10 बार trials करते थे, फिर एक outfit choose होता था. तो बहुत trials की, एक चीज़ पर इतना काम करते थे, hair पर, makeup पर, and like I'm so happy that I'm looking so pretty, but I think the credit just goes to them.
They are fantabulous. इस team के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Can we make some more noise? Okay, Mizan, this one's for you. You have to, you know, take us through that run of yours. वो जो चल रहा है ना, क्या हुआ था, कैसे हुआ था? Spill the beans.
So we were shooting all day on the Charni Road Bridge.
Okay.
And हमारी कुछ complications भी हुई थी वहाँ पर, where a lot of people came and they stopped our shooting. They said नहीं ये नहीं होगी, आपने ये नहीं किया है, वो नहीं किया है, whatever usual Mumbai stuff. But when we finished the scene, the last shot that we took was the running shot.
Right.
And it was a drone shot. And because their vision, the best part about them is they know exactly what they want.
Yes.
And they're not going to leave till they get that. And जब तक के Mizan भी is not in sync with the train, तब तक the shot is not approved. So we are waiting for the train. Train कब आएगी? They said अभी 5:10 की train है. अच्छा ठीक है, रुको 10 minutes. Then the train comes. Then okay, Mizan ready. I'm looking at the train. So I'm running with the train in the shot. You know, it's a drone shot. We're trying to get the and Sir then adds a little more masala to it. He says that no, we need a bus also on the road to be seen. So Mumbai, because they're trying to show Mumbai in the best light. Of course, I mean it's all credit to them that वो BST बस भी दिख रही है, हीरो भाग भी रहा है बीच में, and train भी जा रही है उस तरफ से, you know, and that in a way metaphorically, which ma'am actually made me realize, also differentiates the three of our lives in the film. और हमारे जो 3 अलग-अलग किरदार हैं, किस background से आते हैं और हम किस mode of transport का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So I think that's the way they've taken the shots throughout the film. They're very metaphorical, they're very beautiful, and hats off to them. And thank you for giving me that Tom Cruise kind of a shot. I absolutely love it. It's my favorite shot in the film.
Right.
But yeah.
यहाँ पे, you know, there's another thing that we saw, that chemistry. Like Divya और आपकी वो chemistry वो एकदम cool types. थोड़ा उसके बारे में बताइए. How was it sharing frames
film
with
में
her?
actually सबसे छोटा भाई मैं हूँ.
Right.
But I think the character is very unabashed. He you know, he's very free.
Yeah.
उस पे कोई बाधाएं नहीं है, कोई responsibilities नहीं है. वो अपनी ज़िंदगी से अपने तौर तरीके से अपनी ज़िंदगी जीता है. And उसके सिर्फ भाई बहन है जो उसके best friends हैं film में. And you know, my relationship throughout the film, you will see with my brother and my sister, with Pearl and Divya, that is, beautiful because it's more like friendship rather than आपको लगेगा ही नहीं कि भाई बहन है, आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि best friends हैं. You know, जो मस्ती करते हैं वो, जिस तरीके से बात करते हैं एक दूसरे से about their love life or their girlfriends or ये problem हो गई यार, अच्छा चल कुछ खाने चल करते हैं or something like that, you know. So that's the relationship that we have shown throughout the film, and I think it develops, and also as you watch the movie you'll realize that what happens eventually. But yeah, it was lovely working with them. Also, I could show that kind of a relationship because of my on-set relationship with the two of them. Because they're so cool and chilled out, so I was being able to do those things with them, you know. So it's hats off to the directors and the co-stars to be able to bring off that kind of a performance.
And this is super cool, whatever we've seen on the big
Thank you.
screen. Well, this one's for you. Please tell us, you know, we are talking about the cool quotient, that freshness on the big screen, जिसका हम सब बड़े दिनों से इंतजार कर रहे थे. Finally, it's there. 20th को देखने को मिलेगा, 20th October को. अभी अच्छी बातें हमने कर ली. थोड़ा मसाला दीजिए. Are these directors, you know, are they like very strict? Like कितना सब हंस रहे हैं तो देखो मसाला आने वाला है ना? So please spill the beans.
बिल्कुल सही क्वेश्चन पूछा है आपने और बिल्कुल सही बंदे से. नहीं, मैं ज़्यादा मसाला नहीं दूंगा. लेकिन दे आर स्ट्रिक्ट फॉर अ रीज़न, आई वुड से. कई बार ऐसा होता है ना, अगर हमारा गुरु स्ट्रिक्ट ना हो तो बच्चे नहीं सीख पाते. मैं बता भी नहीं सकता मैंने कितनी सारी चीज़ें सीखी हैं इनसे. नॉट जस्ट अबाउट एक्टिंग, अबाउट अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, अबाउट हाउ टू पोर्ट्रे अ कैरेक्टर इन अ वे वेयर आई एम नॉट लाइक बज्जू. दे हैव मेड मी बज्जू somewhere. They think that I'm perfect for the character, but they've made me perfect for the character. That would I say. They're, I think, so far the best directors. Why I'm saying this? Because it's not about, like how Mizan said, ट्रेन के पीछे वाली ट्रेन का भी coordination proper होता था. Everything. If I'm walking also, at which pace I'm walking, at which pace camera is moving, at which pace train is running. Everything has.
बहुत ही अच्छा है. मतलब it is a endorsed T-series music, which is very very good music.
Divya, I think you'd be the right person to talk about आज ब्लू है पानी पानी, and जो यहाँ पे जितना सा भी हमने वो एक छोटा सा हिस्सा सुना ना, we were like वो ये इसमें देखने को मिलेगा. Tell us about that song and बाकी क्या क्या इसमें थोड़ा सरप्राइज तो खोल
So
दो.
there are 8 songs. So I'm really hoping कि इस साल की biggest album यारियां 2 बने. अभी धासू करके एक गाना हम रिवील करेंगे, हर बार छक्के मारेंगे. So get ready for the best music.
She's not gonna spill the beans. मैंने बड़ी कोशिश कर ली, वो नाम भी नहीं बताने वाली हैं. We'll have to wait for that. So all I want to say is congratulations on this and thank you so much ये लाने के लिए और सबका दिल यहाँ जीतने के लिए. It's time for a quick photo op. We'll do a quick photo op for all you wonderful people. Ji, I'll take the mic. Cool. Thank you so much. And इसके बाद we have this amazing photo op outside, okay? So पूरा आप लोग के हिसाब से we've set up an entire thing outside. तो we'll go बाहर और वहाँ भी होंगे जलवे. The three of you. Yes, you be here. We'll click. You be here. Yeah. With the poster, they want. पोस्ट हो गया ना. अब उनको भी बुलाना पड़ता है. आप भी आ सकते हो. You can also, you know, be a part of the huddle and the cuddle and everything. We'll quickly do the solos. Yeah. I think यश का और दिव्या का एक बनता है ना? आइए, आ जाओ आप दोनों. बना दो. And now we'll do the solos quickly. Yeah? Come, Yash, we'll start with you. Thank you. Thank you. Vanessa, Radhika ma'am, please. And after this, we'll step out. है ना? बिल्कुल. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. We'll step out. Thank you. And now it's time to step out, and wahan pe we'll go. Click, click, click. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for being so wonderful. Yeah.
इन द कोऑर्डिनेशन एंड वो जो फ्रेशनेस, वो जो आप देख रहे हैं स्क्रीन पर, जो आपको बहुत कमाल की चीज़ देखने के लिए मिल रही है, दैट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ देम. So I feel blessed to have them firstly, and I feel blessed to have got this film because every character has its own charm. I feel Bajju, what I am playing the character Bajrang, इसमें बहुत सारे शेड्स हैं. मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिली इस कैरेक्टर से पर्टिकुलरली. एंड इन माई ओन पर्सनैलिटी मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें इनकॉपरेट की हैं. मैं लूज़ कपड़े खुद भी पहनने लगा हूँ. So उसके बाद about the shaving thing, clean shave. Actually, they've given me a look, a particular look. That is Bajju. And I've started living that character, and I'm still in that character. Right now, whatever I am wearing is closer to that character. And absolutely, जो freshness है, I have never seen such freshness because honestly, it's been more than 5 years. मैंने एक भी फिल्म थिएटर में नहीं देखी क्योंकि मैंने सोचा था मेरी ही देखूंगा. This is going to be my first film. लेकिन जितनी भी फिल्में मैंने बीच में देखी, that freshness is missing. It's there in Yaariyan too, and it's about siblings. मुझे लगता है cousins, basically cousins के ऊपर और friendship के ऊपर बहुत टाइम से कुछ ऐसी फिल्म आई नहीं है, and I'm really really excited and happy, and I'm blessed to have everybody of you. My co-stars are amazing. Bhushan ji, thank you so much, and everybody out there, thank you so much guys for cheering for us.
Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Yash, this one's for you. कितनी बार लगा, of course there is so much that I'm going to ask you, लेकिन कितनी बार लगा कि मुझे वो भाई बहन वाले उसमें जाना चाहिए था, like I wanted to be a part of that zone. Yeah.
Well, honestly, कभी नहीं लगा.
नहीं लगा?
कभी नहीं लगा. I'm very happy to be paired with Divya, yes. Opposite Divya, not as a brother. Yes. So I stand out there because ठीक है, अच्छी बात है, भाई बहन की कहानी है, but पति important होता है. ठीक है, you cannot really ignore that. शुरुआत में कैरेक्टर जैसा होता है, आफ्टर मैरिज लोगों को लगता है कि एक बोरिंग पति का कैरेक्टर है, तो उसमें क्या है डालने के लिए. बट दिस कैरेक्टर, माई कैरेक्टर्स नेम इज अभय, इज लोडेड विथ इमोशंस. सो जब मैं पहली बार विनय जी और राधिका मैम से मिला था, आई वाज लाइक, सर व्हाट डू यू एक्सपेक्ट मी टू डू? सो दे टोल्ड मी कि बेटा आपके ना डायलॉग ज़्यादा नहीं है, आपको आंखों से बात करना है, आपको आंखों से इमोट करना है. This character is a little tricky and it is very difficult to portray. Radhika ma'am told me that when she started writing, this was one of her favorite characters in the film. While playing it, एक actor की तरफ से हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि जितना हो सके on the table लेके आए. But while working with sir and ma'am, I saw this that these guys are like, until and unless they get perfection, आपके 25-30 retake भी हो सकते हैं, and they will make you do it. Till the time you don't perform well. So I learned a lot because normally acting में I have worked with other directors in my industry. Normally they will tell you कि आप dialogue ऐसे बोलो या ये emotion थोड़ा ठीक करो. With them I have seen कि नहीं, full body language क्या है character का. Till the time it is not perfect, वो shot okay नहीं होगा. So we've been shooting for a really long time and it has been a very long journey. And I think I'm very happy with how my character has shaped up, and I think it'll bring a certain surprise element to the film. And teaser मैंने I think आज आप सबके साथ, since मैं शहर में रहता नहीं हूँ, मैं कलकत्ता से हूँ, so आज आप सबके साथ मैंने teaser पहली बार देखा, and I feel I stand with all of them कि नहीं, the teaser has a certain freshness because जब हम लोग shoot कर रहे थे, honestly एक frame, it is not about कि एक dialogue, एक frame was synced with perfection. And that is what वो सबका जब combination हम लोग आज big screen पे देख रहे हैं, तो it definitely created magic. That is what I feel. And I feel I'm really blessed working with all of them. They have been a lovely team. Initially, the first day when I went for shoot, Mizan, Divya and Pearl, they were shooting, and actually they were shooting for a marriage sequence जो हम लोगों ने teaser में देखा. And I used to go to the set, हर दिन 1 घंटे पे पैकअप हो जाता था. So I used to just chill around with all of them and have fun and come. But वहाँ से हम लोग की भी journey शुरू हुई, and with this film, it's a chemistry that I share with Mizan, with Pearl, and of course Divya is playing my wife, so of course there's a chemistry there. You have to look out for that. उसके बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगा. But thank you, honestly, thank you Vinay sir, thank you Radhika ma'am, thank you to all my co-actors. Divya के साथ मेरे ज़्यादातर scenes हैं, तो she has been really supportive because dialogues करना है, lines करना है, चलो rehearse करते एक बार बोल लेते. She has been really supportive. Thank you Divya for that. And Bhushan ji and Shiv, thank you so much for making me a part of this film. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much for sharing that. जैसा मैंने शुरुआत में कहा ना टीजर के बाद कि दोस्त कैसे होते हैं, कजिन्स कैसे होते हैं, I'm gonna tell my people. अब यहाँ जितने बैठे हो कह रहे हैं एक सच्चा पति कैसा होता है, वो हम दिखाएंगे.
पॉइंट है ना,
हमने सुन लिया है, exactly. मैंने मान लिया, पॉइंट है, बिल्कुल है. सर ये जो अपना टैगलाइन है ना, कजिन्स बाय बर्थ, फ्रेंड्स बाय चॉइस, थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में बताइए. ये कहाँ से कैसे, how did we say कि यही होना चाहिए?
No, actually when we were writing the film, at that time it was friends तो होते ही हैं, but अगर हम लोग सब अपनी ज़िंदगी का एक सफ़र याद करें तो बचपन में हमारे पहले दोस्त होते हैं हमारे कज़न्स, चाचा बुआ ये वो। तो कहीं शादी हो घर में या कोई भी फेस्टिवल हो तो दोस्त तो आते ही हैं, बट वो बुआ का बेटा नहीं आया, वो चाचा की बेटी नहीं आई है, तो फिर ऐसा लगता था कंप्लीट नहीं हुई बात। तो जब जैसे मैंने कहा कि यारियाँ का हम लोगों का था कि यारियाँ का एक लेवल अप कैसे जाता है अगर हम बनाते हैं यारियाँ का फ्रेंचाइज का सीक्वल। सो इट्स अबाउट द फर्स्ट फ्रेंड्स यू गेट इन लाइफ एंड दैट आर योर कजन्स। सो यू आर कजन्स बाय ब्लड, but actually you become, as you grow up in life, they become friends by choice, you know. And that's why अगर आप प्रोमो में भी देखेंगे तो it says फैमिली से फ्रेंड बनोगे, फ्रेंड से बेस्ट फ्रेंड बनोगे, बेस्ट फ्रेंड से कभी सैड बनोगे। तो इट इज़ अबाउट अ जर्नी यू हैव विद योर कजन्स, यू नो, which starts the first friends you have in your life.
And all the emotional ups and downs जो हमने यहाँ पे देखे, जैसा मैंने कहा सब लोग रिलेट करने वाले हैं, है ना?
शादी में चाहे भाग भी जाओ तो पहला भाई बचाने आता है आपका, which is Divya's intro in the film.
Yes, खून का रिश्ता है, of course. यहाँ पे एक चीज़ और बताइए मुझे कि जब ये सारी सेटिंग चल रही थी, you know, for you, how emotional was all this for you? Because यहाँ cousins भी हैं, friends भी हैं, and then you get married. तो ये एक पूरा circle जैसा कुछ चल रहा था? Please tell us about this character.
Yeah, my character has a lot of growth in the film, and she starts very immature, young, and all that. And you know, I can't reveal much though, but I'm just happy कि एक journey है character की और बहुत grow होता है मेरा character. And I have a very nice name in the film which I can't reveal right now. So they have given me a very good, very fun name.
Okay.
So I'm excited.
Right. Friendships Day अभी celebrate किया है. अब राखी आने वाली है. So was it on purpose कि बिल्कुल बीच में इसको हम टीजर लेके आएंगे जो सब लोग और ज्यादा दीवाने हो गए हैं यहाँ पे? You know, we can see that happiness सबके चेहरों पे यहाँ पे after watching the teaser.
वो तो आपको शिवम से पूछना पड़ेगा, जो मार्केटिंग वो जो बोलते हैं वो हम फिर करते हैं, वो उनका ब्रेन चाइल्ड है।
But all said and done, this is fantabulous. We are waiting for the trailer now and of course for the movie to release. And जैसा मैंने कहा, it's fresh, वो style quotient is there and सबके साथ relatable है. So on that note, जिनकी हमने बात यहाँ पे की, I'd like to invite on stage, ladies and gentlemen, the man with the Midas touch. Please put your hands together for Mr. Bhushan Kumar. और साथ में शिव चानना साहब फ्रॉम टी सीरीज, ऑफ कोर्स जोरदार तालियां उनके लिए भी. एंड ए फिल्म से वी हैव मिस्टर अनिल थडानी साहब, ऑफ कोर्स. तो सर आप लोगों की भी बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है यहाँ पे. Sir said it. Anil sir is going to look at me. He'll be like, क्यों मना करेंगे वो मुझे? But Bhushan sir, I think we have to start with you.
No, start with Anil.
We'll have to start with Anil sir. Your association, of course, with T-Series is superb. अभी यहाँ क्या बोलना चाहेंगे sir?
So I remember when Yariya won, Divya was a debutant director, and it was a new Starcast film, and when the film released, it opened with a bang. I'm hoping the same happens with Yariya too, and it does twice the amount of business and twice the amount of success it gets. So all the very best to the team.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing that. Sir, man of few words, as always. You know,
It's nice to hear Anil sir. He puts pressure on the creatives. I hope it does double business. So Radhika और मैं तो बिल्कुल ही palpitation में चले गए.
He's done it. He's done his job. Bhushan sir, this one's for you. Please tell us, you know, as they say, the man with the Midas touch. और जहाँ तक sequels की बात हो, you've aced the space, you know, with Aashiki 2, Bhool Bhulaiya 2, and now Yaariyan 2, sir. क्या बोलना चाहेंगे इसके ऊपर?
See, sequels तो हमारे country में like people are accepting us, especially after the pandemic. सब लोग sequels में बहुत interested हो रहे हैं क्योंकि एक कहानी जिसके साथ लोग जुड़े हुए हैं उसको वो उस franchise को आगे देखने के लिए उसी zone में people are always interested. That we have seen in Bhool Bhulaiya 2, which was a runaway success. Then Drishyam 2, that was a runaway success. Now we are making Yaariyan is coming. तो हमारी Yaariyan 1 भी बहुत अच्छी चली थी, and it was the backbone was music.
Right.
उस टाइम जब दिव्या ने शूट की थी जिस तरीके से आज भी आप देख रहे हैं उस गाने पे रिएक्शन. So that is the iconic song of our Blue है पानी पानी. So I'm hoping कि sequels का ज़माना आ रहा है. आज आप देखेंगे कि कितनी सारी फिल्में हम भूल भुलैया 3 भी बना रहे हैं, हम आशिकी भी बना रहे हैं, एंड प्लस मेनी अदर वेलकम के भी फ्रेंचाइज अनाउंस हुई है, वो भी बनने वाली है. फिर हेरा फेरी बन मेनी फ्रेंचाइजेज आर कमिंग. सो आई थिंक फ्रेंचाइजेज से आपको एक फिक्स्ड व्यूअरशिप मिलती है, एंड फिक्स फैंस मिलते हैं. एंड ये फिल्म की जब स्क्रिप्ट मुझे विनय राधिका ने सुनाई थी तो ये दिस वाज बैंग ऑन फॉर अ यारियां फ्रेंचाइज टू टेक फॉरवर्ड. तो वहाँ से ये जर्नी शुरू हुई. एंड व्हेन आई सॉ द टीज़र मुझे भी इन्होंने, जैसे यश ने बताया, आज देखा, इन्होंने मुझे भी 2-3 दिन पहले ही दिखाया. दो नॉर्मली आई डोंट डू दिस फॉर एनी फिल्म. हम बहुत पहले से इन्वॉल्व होकर देखते हैं. तो अभी इनको मैंने एक नोटिस करके दिया कि नेक्स्ट I want to see 1 month before telecast. So abhi they have to show me all the creatives in advance. But I trust them कि आखिरी में ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि मैंने लास्ट मोमेंट पे देखा तो बहुत कुछ changes थे या कुछ थे. It was bang on. So everybody has worked very hard and everybody is looking very fresh. It's looking musical जो मुझे चाहिए थी. So as a producer I'm fully satisfied and I also hope the same what just Anil said कि film यारियां 1 से ज़्यादा बिजनेस करे और म्यूजिक
of Yariyan 2 on the big screen. Can we make some noise? That's the mahal that we want, ladies and gentlemen. Ho jaye. Whoa, whoa, whoa.